Yo guys, this is Budget Bro with another video. As I told y'all, I got this Sennheiser Evolution 600-800 series, and to compete with it, I got the Shure PG58 cardiac dynamic microphone. So I tested both of them, and as y'all know, I'll just tell my views on it. So the first priority, as usual, is the in-hand feel. So obviously both of them had a very great in-hand feel, but to be frank, in my frank opinion, the Sennheiser had a better in-hand feel. So coming back to the voice and other features, I think the Sennheiser Evolution Series 600-800 is actually worth it. Yeah, it's worth 6,000 rupees. Yeah, but if you want a compact one in a budget, so you can go for the Shure PG58. So it's good, but if you try to extend your budget a bit, like this is for 4,300 and this is for 6,000 rupees. So if you extend your budget by 1,700 rupees, you're gonna get something really great. So in my frank opinion, both of them were good, but the Sennheiser Evolution CV600-800 did quite good. So that's it for the test between the Sennheiser and the Shure mic. Thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you haven't, just hit the like button.